Tired of juggling files between your desktop and the cloud? Let's turn your Dropbox into seamless internal storage for Ubuntu 2004. First, we need to get Dropbox installed on your Ubuntu system. Head over to the official Dropbox website and find the Linux download section. Look for the Debian package, which is compatible with Ubuntu. Download this file to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to where you saved the file in your file manager. Double-click on the downloaded Debian package. This should open up the Ubuntu Software Center or a similar package installer. In the installer window, you'll see an Install button. Click on this to begin the installation process. You might be prompted to enter your administrator password. This is normal and ensures the software is installed correctly. After the installation is finished, you can find the Dropbox application in your Ubuntu Applications menu. Launch it the first time you open Dropbox. It will guide you through signing in or creating a Dropbox account. Sign in with your existing Dropbox credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one easily from here. During the initial setup, Dropbox will ask you where you want to sync your files instead of picking a default location. There's a crucial step here. Look for an option that allows you to choose your sync folder. This is where we'll integrate it as internal storage. Click on Choose Sync Folder, and then select a location deep within your Ubuntu home directory, perhaps creating a new folder named Dropbox or similar. This tells Dropbox to use this specific folder on your computer as its primary storage hub. Now, any files you place in this designated Dropbox folder on your Ubuntu machine will automatically sync to your Dropbox cloud account. And vice versa, you can treat this folder just like any internal storage, accessing and managing your files directly from your file manager, with the added benefit of cloud backup and accessibility. And there you have it. Your Dropbox is now acting as integrated internal storage for your Ubuntu 2004. Enjoy seamless file management, powered by the cloud.